Why are math equation principles so universal? Have you ever wondered why math equations seem to work the same way, no matter where you are or what you are solving? Let's break down the reasons behind the universal nature of math equation principles. Math equation principles are universal because they describe relationships and patterns that hold true across various situations. This means that the same rules apply whether you are working with simple numbers or more complex algebraic expressions. The beauty of math lies in its logical structure, which remains consistent regardless of the specific values involved. At the heart of solving equations are properties like equality. When you see an equation, both sides representing the same value. This is a fundamental concept that never changes. Operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division follow specific rules. For example, the distributive property tells us how to multiply a number by a sum. These rules are reliable because they stem from the nature of numbers and quantities. For 10th graders, understanding these universal principles can significantly improve study habits and homework skills. Instead of memorizing countless rules, you can focus on mastering a few key strategies. For instance, isolating variables and balancing equations are techniques that apply to many different problems. This approach can save you time and reduce confusion when tackling math assignments. Moreover, this universality aids in effective time management. When you grasp one principle well, you can apply it to various problems, making your work faster and more efficient. For example, maintaining equality by performing the same operation on both sides of an equation is a principle that works whether you are solving for a variable in a linear equation or handling more complex expressions. In essence, math equation principles are universal because they are based on fundamental properties of numbers and operations. This consistency allows students to apply the same problem-solving techniques across different math topics. By understanding these principles, you can make your study sessions more manageable and your homework less overwhelming. So, next time you sit down to solve an equation, remember that you are using principles that are reliable and applicable in many contexts.